right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and open BoxyCharm and see what we can feature today. Feature product. As usual, I don't like to see what's inside, so this month is the Secret Garden. Your secret garden. All right, first product. Ooh, Dr. Brandt. And if I'm not mistaken, Dr. Brandt is a skincare line. So this is really, really nice. Pores No More. Luminizer Primer. Awesome. That sounds good. All right, I've seen this brand before. This is, oh, Love Yourself Brightening Concealer. Let's put that one on this side. So far, so good. I could use either one of these so far. And next we have TYS Lip Butter in Toast. You guys know I have been loving some lip oils, right? So we might be able to throw that on as well. The color of this box is throwing me because this is the color Estee Lauder used for their products. I have plenty of them, believe me, I know. I'm not sure what this is. Let me pull out my glasses so I can read in detail, but this very well may be something we can review later. These are my new glasses, guys. Calm, Soothe, and Balance. It says Skin Ink Supplement Bar. Is it a moisturizer? Is it sunscreen? I don't know. Let's open it and see. Ooh, this looks like a serum. Oh my gosh. Y'all. If this don't look beautiful and elegant, okay. We're gonna save that for a review. I'll put that one on the left side. All right, and then the last one we have is Pixie Skin Treats Rose Oil Blend. Rose Oil Blend, Rose and Pomegranate Oils. This is a moisturizing face oil. Okay, this was a really good box, you guys. I love this. This does seem more like a winter box, but hey, we need skincare all year long. This box definitely does target skincare. I love it. All right, let's see. I think well, let's check out this concealer. Oh, it looks pretty dark. So, okay, so it says it's a full coverage. But look at the color. That is definitely not gonna be brightening for me. It's gonna be darkening. So, I hate that. I wish it was bright. I've actually had one of their concealers before, and I actually think I just tossed it out the other day. It's in the trash. But this would definitely work for a contour. I could definitely use that for contour, so y'all. All right, so we'll use that for contour today, and then today I think I will feature the Dr. Brandt's Luminizing Primer. I am going to take my lip moisturizer off so we can try this TYS Beauty. It reminds me of this one, Love Yourself. It just says TYS Beauty. Okay, so that's what we're gonna stick to TYS. Y'all, why is this beautiful? This camera can't even, oh my goodness, can't even pick up the beautifulness. And I'm a girl, I don't go for like colored lip gloss. I just don't usually do lip gloss. I do more of a lip oils. But if it has a lip oil feel to it, oh. And this does. Oh my goodness. And it smells so good. Oh. Oh. Y'all. Y'all. This feels so good. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a short on that. I'm gonna do a short on that. That is absolutely beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and do our skincare. And I'm gonna start off with these two, as usual, my St. Ives and my Snail Rescue. So we always start off with toning the skin. But you guys have seen me do that plenty of times, so. Let me go ahead and prep my skin up to primer and I'll be right back. Got my toner, I did Scale Rescue, that's kind of my serum, and I did moisturizer. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this Dr. BRANDTS Luminizer Primer. Let's see what it's gonna do for us. Let's see, what foundation do I wanna wear today? Only because, not only, but because it's within reach, we'll do the Performer. We're gonna do the Performer. All right, so I'm just gonna do, oh, it's peachy colored. Doesn't have a smell. My nose. Let me get a little bit closer. Closer. Ooh. Okay. Okay, you can see the luminization on my skin. It feels really good. It feels really silky on the skin. So we're gonna let that settle in for a minute. Just for a hot minute. That feels really good on the skin. It does have a nice little subtle glow. All right, so I'm gonna just continue to do my makeup. While I'm doing my makeup, I'm gonna do a voiceover. And by the time I do the voiceover, my makeup would have been on for after 2 o'clock when I do the voiceover. And again, I'm just using the Performer. All right, so again, as I do my makeup, I'm just going to do a voiceover about this product. All right, guys, as I mentioned before, Dr. BRANDTS is a skincare line, but we're going to go ahead and get into this Luminizer Primer. So Pores No More, a lightweight silky cream that creates a glowing, flawless complexion with or without makeup. Blurs the look of pores and imperfections, provide a smooth canvas for seamless long-wearing foundation application for clients concerned with enlarged pores, lack of radiance, skin color and texture imperfection, all skin types. All right, so they do recommend that you use this as part of your daily routine. Smooth over clean, moisturized skin, apply makeup as usual or wear alone for a quick fix throughout the day. Pat and blend delicately over makeup to absorb oil and give a glow. All right, so the claims immediately after application, 100% reported that the product provides a natural glow. That is definitely one thing I did notice after I finished my makeup, but that is with any luminizing primer. If you put that underneath your foundation, it's going to give you a really nice, beautiful glow that actually seems like it comes from within your skin. So reportedly, 87% reported that product minimizes their pores just after 2 weeks. So this is definitely something I will continue to use. And this primer is $40. All right, guys, so I am back. So my makeup looks good. It feels good. I felt like the primer had like the perfect amount of grip. It does speak to pore minimizing, pore no mores. I know I have a concern area around my cheeks with pores. I don't know if you guys can see those, but I can still see those. So I think next time I will definitely target this area a little bit more and make sure that the pores are filled in. I keep looking over there because guys, today is the first day I saw a hummingbird and I'm so excited, but it's sad at the same time because I work until 7 tonight. But when I get home tonight, I'm making my hummingbird concoction to put out. I just purchased 2 new hummingbird feeders, so I'm really excited to put those out today for the hummingbirds. Yay! Yeah, I get excited about the little hummingbirds. They come and visit me every year, so I'm excited to see them. I like the primer, of course. Yeah, I like the primer, and of course I did use the lip butter, which feels amazing. This is going in my purse. That is staying in my purse. I absolutely love that. As I mentioned before, I don't usually go for like color glosses or anything like that, but this amount of color in a gloss is perfectly fine for me. I don't usually wear gloss because, you know, you got to reapply like every 15 minutes, but this feels amazing on the skin. It does feel like butter and I love it. So between the primer and this lip butter and all of the other products I got in this box, I'm really satisfied with this month's box. And definitely stay tuned to these 2 products that I will also review for you guys. And again, guys, I'm on a roll. I'm trying to kick out as many videos as I can, really not scheduling anything. Like I will film it and then like maybe schedule it to post the same day or either like a day or 2 later. But as far as like, oh, I'm gonna do 2 videos a week on Tuesdays and Fridays, I'm not doing that, but I'm just putting out as I record. And I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I know I had a couple people mention that they are excited to see me posting more. Guys, please share, repost. Really trying to get to 10K this year. That's my goal for my channel, so I can continue to grow, and hopefully we can see where the channel goes after that. But yeah, so I did mention the foundation that I'm using today, but I also want to get in the habit, and I keep forgetting to do this, but if you are a beauty over 40 and you're wanting to join a group of women, we inspire each other, uplift each other. We collaborate once a month with the, of course, Beauty Over 40 collab, but it's just to really engage and have fun and learn together and inspire each other and just have fun. So again, so if you're a beauty over 40 and you'd like to join a collab, you can reach out to myself. You can scroll through any of my videos titled Beauty Over 40 collab. You'll see collab behind whatever the theme is. You can reach out to any of those girls here and we will welcome you with open arms. Thanks for tuning in. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup. Also, my second handle on TikTok, which is where I have fun, lip sync, and do all those fun things that people do on TikTok, that is _Beauty Over 40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.